Yeah, it's a very good player, and he has competence for the moment. So it's for us to choose from the beginning of maybe when the game is running. Yes, we know Portugal very well. Unfortunately, we lost in the last minutes, maybe the most important. But we have a feeling that we know them very good. I heard that they say we play the same system as Sweden, so I don't think they know us so good. But nevertheless, of course, they have some new players, but we have got the time to tell the players what kind of player it is, and they have played a game Saturday with a new coach. It's for him to choose, but we are prepared, whatever.
Nah, of course, it's always difficult to recover so fast, but I think every player is ready for the task, and tomorrow we have one more day, so that will be okay.